Every kid loves s'mores and smeeces. If you've never had a smeese, it's like a peanut butter s'more and it's delicious. But you can't always go to the woods and start a campfire to make them. So I'm gonna teach you how to make them in an air fryer. Do you wanna help me? Start by layering the bottom level of graham cracker with the chocolate of your choice.
Papa's making marshmallows and scissors.
That's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm cutting them because then the marshmallow sits on top of the chocolate without rolling off.
Wow, yum. Can we eat them yet?
Not yet, almost. Layer your s'mores and smeezes in the drawer of the air fryer. Set it to 320 for about 4 or 5 minutes.
Waiting is hard.
Yeah, waiting is hard. Whoa, do they look good?
They might be good, Papa.
You think they might be good? Top each gooey sandwich with another piece of graham cracker.
I'll have this one.
You want to have that one? All right. Whoa. Do they look good?
Yeah.
Or I'll eat this one. Mmm. It's gooey and yummy, huh?
Gooey and yummy, yeah.
Mm-hmm.